Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a gentle side body stretch. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. With an inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist. Feeling this gentle stretch create more space and ease through your spine and side body. Adding a cat-cow stretch. Inhale, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle seated twist. Sitting tall with your hands to your thighs, begin to gently rotate from right to left. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Release and return to center, transitioning into standing postures. Exploring a cat-cow stretch variation. Place your hands to the seat of your chair with your feet below your hips. On your inhale, lift your heart forward and up. And on your exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, feeling your neck long. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and legs. Pausing at center, moving into a spinal balance. With your shoulders over your wrists and your feet below your hips, lift and extend your right leg parallel to the earth, using your core to keep your spine neutral. When you're ready, reach your left arm forward, shoulder height. Breathe as you reach long through your fingertips and back leg, using your core to maintain balance. Adding on, inhale, reach and extend through your arm and leg, and on your exhale, draw elbow to knee, rounding your spine, coiling your navel back. Continue flowing at your own pace, using your core to stabilize this movement. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. With your core engaged, lift and extend your left leg parallel to the earth with your left knee pointing downwards. When you're ready, reach your right arm forward, shoulder height, reaching energetically through your fingertips and out through your back leg. As you hold this position, keep your spine neutral and your navel back with the back of your neck long. Ending on, inhale, lengthen through your arm and leg. Exhale, draw opposite elbow to knee. Rounding your spine, lightly drawing your navel in and up. Feeling this action awaken your deep core muscles. Release and go ahead and step your feet back into downward facing dog pose. With your feet slightly wider than hip width apart, stretch your hips back, keeping your core lightly engaged, stretching your chest back towards your thighs, allowing gravity to lengthen your spine. Adding a twist, reach your left hand across your body to your right leg, keeping your spine long, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Stay connected to your breath as you release and come to take a seat. Moving into a gentle cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Release and return to center, moving into another lateral stretch variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, reach one arm down the leg of your chair and the opposite arm up and overhead. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, creating more space and ease through your spine and side body. Release and return to center. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Continue breathing deeply, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine upward, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll help you to remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.